6 hours of traveling, totally worth it. Bye! I'll try to be funny again.
Just force yourself to be funny, okay. Pear. Pepper. Pepper again.
Very important.
Rastafarian.
Do you have charger?
Yes. Oh my god.
You should get coffee.
Yeah, I'm dying from this.
You good?
Just bumping it. Okay, after catching one train and one bus, we have one more train to go, and one more hour, and then we'll get off and then walk another hour, and we'll be there.
See ya there. So, alright, we just arrived in this town and you can try to practice.
Jablodní
Jablo-
Podještědí.
Yeah, it's jablone v Podještědí.
Pretty close, getting better.
Pretty close. And now we will be walking about an hour and hopefully finally get there. So let's go.
Walking on a highway to get to the treehouse is ridiculous.
Seems really difficult to get there.
Yeah.
So let's check out the place.
So what are we doing now? I forgot.
So we just arrived.
And now I'm gonna go check out the place. Oh, we'll see that again.
Oh my god, you wanted to grab the crown.
So we just arrived and now I'm gonna go check out the place. Hold on. Go again. Fuck.
Tour time! Actually, this tour of this tree house will take just about 10 seconds. So this is the main bed with huge window, amazing view of the nature. But this is the best part. Here is my favorite. You can sit here near this window and just chill. Okay, and next, nice wooden table. This is big heater which keeps this place super warm, very important. And this is the second part of this tree house.
So many views.
Come here!
Are you allergic to cats?
Yeah, I am. Oh, they are so cute.
Hey, so we're going to take a tour outside. Let's go to the outhouse. Be one with nature when you use the toilet. Oh no, you can't. It's actually locked. So you can't be one with nature. So around the corner. It's awesome. I've never seen anything like this. It's like a old school oven. I'm pretty sure like you put hot water in there and you put your feet in there as you cook things. Nice.
So, owner told us that there is a fridge with some free stuff, so check it out.
There's nothing in there.
I think I missed. Oh, another two fridge actually.
Wow, so much free stuff.
Actually, I think I misunderstood our hot tub and sauna, which is getting ready for us. We still have hour. It will be worth it, definitely.
Wim Hof!
Oh man.
So you are officially Wim Hof now?
No.
Yeah, oh my god, burn yourself in a
hot tub.
Yeah. So relaxing.
So relaxed. I feel like a whole new person. And I made tea. I am useful.
Some chips and chives. That's it, that's starters. Now you wrap them in tin foil. gonna melt for like 2 minutes. Yeah. See, this is gonna smoke up, so I'm actually gonna quickly cook this outside. So let's go. Press it down a little bit.
Let's go straight.
Okay.
We are really tired.
Yeah. And we're going to bed.
So, good night.
Good night.
Dobrou noc.
Dobrou noc. See you tomorrow. Morning. Let's go. It's cold. Cold. Alright, let's go put the fire on. Whoa.
Yeah, I think it's... I think it's just...
Is it still warm?
It's warm,
Really?
but not hot.
This is cheating.
You put pepper.
I don't have to know. That's okay.
So relaxing.
Home. Hello. Goodbye, treehouse.